Good morning, students of class 5. Welcome to geography class. We are reading chapter 9, Polar Regions. Our lesson for today is Alpine Tundra. Let us first know, where is Alpine Tundra located? Alpine biomes are found in mountainous regions across the globe. Their elevation normally ranges between 10,000 feet, that is 3,000 meters, and the area where the mountain's snow line begins. So, in other words, we can say that Alpine tundra is found in high altitude regions all over the world, which is usually above 10,000 feet altitude. Large areas of the Tibetan Plateau fall within Alpine Tundra zone, as you can see over here. Now, Alpine Tundra climate. Let us know something about the Alpine Tundra climate. The climate of Alpine biome is somewhat dynamic. You can't describe the climate of this kind of biome using a simple climate scheme. Temperatures normally drop by about 10 degrees centigrade for every 1000 meters as you go up a mountain. The biome experiences a long, cold winter season lasting about 9 months. Summer temperatures ranges from minus 12 degrees centigrade to 10 degrees centigrade. However, these temperatures can normally drop from warm to freezing within a day. Precipitation varies considerably in alpine biomes, but they are usually fairly dry. In fact, the regions receive about 1 foot, that is 30 centimeters of precipitation annually. Nevertheless, snow may remain on the ground for an extended period of time, thanks to consistently low temperature. Now, the natural vegetation of alpine tundra. The alpine biome is characterized by unfavorable conditions for plants to thrive, including strong winds, unfavorably low temperatures, low carbon dioxide levels, and strong sunlight. With low carbon dioxide, plants have a hard time carrying out photosynthesis. As a result of the windy weather, alpine biomes are characterized by small ground cover plants. Most plants are found in alpine biomes are adapted to thrive in rocky and sandy soil. So here are some example of plants that are found in alpine biome or alpine tundra region. Now, the wildlife of alpine tundra. Animals like mountain goats, marmots, sheep, elk are some of the animals found in alpine tundra region. Human activities. The alpine tundra region is sparsely populated, that is, very less people live over here. And the human activities in this region include domestication of animals, fishing, and some mining activities. So that was all for today. If you have any query, send your query at the given mail ID. Thank you.